Well, hi Hunnay. It's another day, another video. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Antoinette, but you can call me Anto. Are you that someone interested in tips, tricks, DIYs, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle vlogs? If you are, then this is home. Welcome home. You can now go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon, because honey, you don't want to miss anything that will be cooking on this channel. For all my subscribers that have been here with me grinding, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, thank you so much. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a bedroom door sign for kids. The theme for the bedroom is frozen, so we are going to make a frozen themed bedroom door sign. Without much ado, let's get into the video. So guys, this is how I bought this. I can't remember how much I got it for anymore, but I got this at Walmart. If you go to your Walmart, your local Walmart, and you go to the wedding decorations aisle, you might find it there. So right now, this is exactly how it looks. Let me just give you a quick update. You see my nails right now? So I did these nails myself, and I must say they've held up pretty well for something that is not gel, neither acrylic. I think they held up pretty well. For that video, if you haven't seen that yet, I'm going to put it up here so you can watch it. You need to go watch it. Maybe you need to revive those fingernails. Okay, so now back to business. You can see this. You can see that it is rustic, but I'm not into rustic furniture. So for every time I get something that is in rustic form, I try to revamp it. I try to change it totally into something glam or something modern. So right now I'm just going to, I'm going to spray paint this one. Another thing I forgot to tell you guys about is this wooden crown. This one right here. Yeah, I'm going to be needing this one also for the door sign. So I'm just gonna spray paint it again pink, and then so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this ring right here that I'm holding, I'm just going to wrap it up with a tape, a scotch tape, so that when I'm spraying the spray paint on it, when I'm using the spray paint on it, it is not going to get onto the string directly. I have the scotch tape here with me and a pair of scissors, so let's do this. I'm going to be cutting the scotch tape in bits, so I'll be able to wrap it up neatly. Actually just finished using the scotch tape. You can see I use the scotch tape all the way, so I'm just gonna spray paint the board now. Also, don't forget to shake your spray paint for you to have a very nice and brilliant color. Make sure you shake it very well. Here we go. I'm just gonna let it dry now, and then we do the rest of the decoration, okay? So what are the things that we need for the door sign? Hunnay. We need this. It's a wooden board. We need it. I just spray painted this. It was rustic. You already know that. So when I was spray painting it, you already know that I put scotch tape on it so the paint doesn't get onto the string, and I already took some strings off. Yep, no paint, nothing at all. We also need our rhinestone letters. These are all rhinestone letters. We need our clear snowflakes. These are snowflakes. We also need our wooden crown. You also saw me spray painting this. It is pink in color. Oh, we need our good old glue gun. We need our glue gun, and the glue gun already has a glue stick ready. So guys, let's get started. The first thing I'll be doing is I'll be fixing the crown. What I'll be doing is I'll be using my glue gun here to fix the crown. But first, I'm gonna mark exactly where I want the crown to be, so I don't miss where I need it to be. I'm just gonna be using this scissors to just mark a little line. Do whatever works for you. If you want to write with a pen or a pencil, that's fine. For me, I'm using the scissors right here. Yep, I can see the lines, so I want it right here. So I'm gonna put the glue now. Yep. So guys, we now have our glue on here. I'm just gonna stick it. I'm gonna press it down for a little bit. Let it dry for some minutes. Another thing that I forgot to mention that you'll be needing is a pair of scissors. You'll be needing it. So for this tutorial, I'll be needing 4 O's in these letters, but they added actually more vowels. But the thing is, they added just, how many O's do we have here? We have just 3 O's. We have 1, 2, and 3. So to make this work, we have a Q right here. So this Q, I'm going to cut out to make an O for me to get my 4 O's. The next thing I'm going to do is put the letters. We need an L, but before that, I'm going to use this to like make a measurement of exactly what I want. Now I can stick my letters where I want them to be. So now this is the queue. I'm going to cut this out to be an O. I'm going to cut off the tail of the queue. I'm also going to cut off this little thing in here, but before I do that, I'm going to peel the queue off. And then take this off. Yep, and voila, we have our O. Look at that. Yep. There we go. We have one more O left, so we'll just use that. Let's get the snowflakes on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick snowflakes here on this crown. But first I'm going to count how many snowflakes it's going to be needed, so I'll be able to fix them correctly in place. Okay, so that being done, now I know that I need 6 snowflakes for the crown, so I'm just going to stick them on with a glue gun. So I'll just put a little bit of glue here in the position where I want the snowflake to be. Not too much, just pea size. Just a pea size of glue. Yep. Stick it on. Now we have 2 at both edges. Pea size, like I said. What we're going to do now is to fix snowflakes randomly. Guys, it's all done. So guys, look. This is the end product of the door sign. It says, "Love is an open door." I'm going to put it at my kids' door. Now guys, so this is it. This is exactly how it looks at the door. See? How cute can that be? You can see it with the frozen characters. So yeah, I think I like it. I hope you do too. So guys, that's the end of our tutorial for today. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below what you think of this tutorial. And also, if you would like to be seeing more tutorials on this channel, let me know in the comment section. Or if there's anything else you want me to show you how to do, also put that in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, okay?